I want to point out for our folks at home what we're seeing right now with Madeline, right? Madeline, I don't know if you've noticed this, but you tell this story in a very detached manner. You sound like you're checking out or giving a nurse's report in the ICU right now, right? You're talking about a traumatic event. You saw people dying and you were doing CPR at a concert, but your face is divorced of all the emotion. I want to know if you're able to tap into what you were feeling that night. At what moment did you actually get scared? Did you realize this is not okay?
The only moment that I felt fear was really when I first passed out, right before I passed out, because I knew it was coming. I could feel it coming, and I, was wondering. I was like, I can't faint. What happens when I faint? What's going to happen to me after? And then really the only emotion I felt during that was anger and stress, and I still carry that with me. I carried that with me later that night when I left the concert, and now too.
What were you angry about?
I'm angry that this happened in the first place. I'm angry for the families that thought that their children or brother or sister was going to a concert to enjoy their night, and then they didn't make it home. I'm upset for the medical staff because I know that they felt the same thing I feel. The same thing I felt then and the same thing I feel now is knowing the worst feeling I have ever felt was at this concert when I knew what to do and I knew what needed to happen to help save these people, and I did not have the resources to do it. I think about it all the time. I've not stopped thinking about it. The faces of those that I was working on that were blue and pale, it doesn't leave my mind because I feel lucky is an understatement. It's blessed. I feel like that there must have been some other reason that I was not one of the ones that was, hospitalized or worse. But I mean, this haunting feeling of I wish I could have done more it doesn't go away.
Well, Madeline, you're a hero. What you did in that situation was truly heroic, and don't lose sight of that.
Yeah, 100%.
Richard, tell us, what do you hope to achieve with these lawsuits that you're involved with that have started in regards to this tragedy at the concert?
I know it's cliche to say justice, but it's true. But this is not about money. It's really about trying to find the truth and find out how we can make these concerts safer and these outdoor events safer. There has to be certain safety measures that we can put into place to prevent tragedies like this.
I couldn't agree with you more, Richard. I mean, we can't go back in time and change what happened, but we can move forward, analyze, find the truth, and make the necessary changes to prevent this from ever happening again.